reach what I call a critical temperature. 2%, it's about maybe 66 degrees Celsius. It reaches that temperature, and then if you keep heating the microwave, you keep it in the microwave, the temperature doesn't rise. It's kind of like when you think of when you're boiling water, you can't get it above 100 until it evaporates.
My name is Sortun. I am the chef and owner of Oleana in Cambridge and Sofra in Cambridge, and my husband is the farmer at Sienna Farms. I think there's a lot of inspiration, a lot of ideas behind things that could change for the good. Combining the two, and I think the creativity combined with the science is what it's all about.
Notice the one that had less transcontamination, so you would affect that they don't leave it done for 4 hours. There was less bonding. It's more liquidy. It's a little soft.
I'm Matt Menendez. I'm a freshman. My family's been in the restaurant business for generations. My dad has owned a restaurant for like 35 years, so I work in the restaurant a lot because it's sort of the family business, and I've always been interested in food. This is the kind of science class I knew that I wouldn't have if I went anywhere else. My dad was finding out about this as it was announced back in March of last year, and so I actually heard about this before I made my college decision, and it's not like it changed my decision, but it was one of those things where I said, wow, this is something that you'd only get at Harvard. I think it's fascinating. I couldn't have any other science course that I would like more than food and science.
They were just fooling around.
So close.
They know that the enzymes matter in it, and I think they haven't even they could try whey protein powder, and it could become different. I mean, they've only used one type of gelatin. The other thing was they only had gelatin powder.
My name is Erica Seidel, and I'm class of 2012. I'm a science concentrator to begin with, and so coming into this class, I was beyond excited. I'm also a huge foodie. So just the idea that you can learn something that you're already really interested in and apply another topic that you wouldn't really typically think would be as related as, say, spring constants, but just taking pasta and doing the same kinds of things with that was just so exciting. We applied a lot of force displacement measurements and things like that. We calculated Young's modulus. We used a lot of stress and strain measurements, and basically what we were trying to do is figure out which parameter exactly corresponded best to the subjective decision of our blind taste test that a certain pasta was the best. We actually found that the breaking strain was the best.
You guys, we need to choose one.
Can I make a suggestion?
Yes.
Let's go around and have a straw poll. Everybody say you have one choice.
You have one choice. Yeah, good
Please
job.
make your choice.
Grandfather.
Grandfather.